the pillars of our institution. It's my pleasure to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. S. Salivahanan, our Registrar, Dr. E. Kannan, our Dean Academics, Dr. A.T. Ravichandran, who provided wonderful opportunity to organize this webinar. It's my great pleasure to welcome our resource person, Mr. M. Mahendran, Director, Retired, Railway Board, New Delhi. I welcome you, sir. I welcome our Dean, Dr. M.S.R. Mariappan. Sir, guidance and support motivate us to work more. Sir is the backbone of our department. I welcome you, sir. I welcome all the faculty members of our School of Management. My dear students, a warm welcome to all of you for this webinar. Thank you.
Webinar session on progress of year life in insurance. Apart from that, I thank today's chief guest, Mahendran sir, who consented and given us an accepted our offer to deliver a talk to our students community in the aspects of insurance. Because he is an experienced man who is a right person to deliver more about insurance. But let me take a few minutes to share my experience about the value of insurance. Receive a very good, valuable information from our chief guest today. Thank you all. Mahendra sir, thanks for your kind acceptance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. So now I request it's time for me to introduce our resource person, Mr. Mahendran, Director, Railway Printing Press, and he's the main director in Railway Board, New Delhi. Mr. Mahendran started his career in printing field and got onboarded in a well-reputed printing organization in Asian, second known as Prasad Process Printing Unit, located in Chennai. And in his first assignment, which has been allotted in the year of 1977 to 1979, he was appointed as technical officer through UPSC, and later he got promoted as deputy manager in Ministry of Urban Development, having all over the state more than 22 units with various requirements of books and forms for smooth working of their states. He got exposure in various other states in India like Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Faridabad, etc. Later, he got appointment in Ministry of Finance through UPSC in middle management cadre as assistant work manager and served for 5 years services, which is having different technological techniques for manufacturing of Indian currencies. Therefore, he has joined in Ministry of Railways from senior level managerial cadre to selection grade through UPSC and put a service about 16 years and worked in Chennai, Secunderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. Finally, he was appointed as director in Railway Board by Ministry of Railways and served 7 years. He has acquired knowledge in this field, having 37 years and 8 months of experience in managerial career in various states and government sectors, and also got various exposure in industrial side, managing with different language people, and gained experience in varieties of machineries related to printing industries and allied jobs. Found knowledge in handling staff members by introducing various technologies and trained them based on the job allotted for every individual to get quality result for the organization. During his career, he has appreciated and awarded in 1993 for handling crisis need forms in railway, passenger tickets and procurement document by general manager. And general manager awarded him for handling money value document prices and public community items for South Central Railways and awarded for implementation of official language in Southern and South Central by Ministry of Railways and simultaneously. In addition to that, his workshop has been got the shield from General Manager for best maintaining of middle up keeping workshop. He is basically self-motivated professional who achieves results and has superior ability to coordinate and manage multiple tasks simultaneously. He is very passionate to obtain results adhering to the company's core values, professional ethics lessons, he is certified financial advisor in Kotak Financial Insurance Institute, Max Life and HDFCA Healthcare. Now I request our Honorable Resource Person, Mr. M. Mahendran, to take over the session. Sir, this virtual floor is yours now.
Thank you, Felicia, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. I am thankful to Colonel Professor Vale Dr. R. Rangarajan, Chancellor and Founder President, Dr. Sakunthala Rangarajan, Founders President, Dr. S. Salivaganan, Vice Chancellor, Dean Dr. M.S.R. Mariappan, School of Management, Dr. P. Jayaprabha, HOD, School of Management, Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor, all students present here. I am once again welcoming you and thankful to you given opportunity to have a webinar session about progress of your life in insurance. It is an interesting subject everyone should be aware. Before starting the session, introduction speech, Dr. M.S.R. Mariappan have already importance of insurance have spoken about. Really, it is interesting point he gave you, and I am also thankful to him for his covering certain points. I'm once again, before starting this, we will have a question that why this progress of your life in insurance. This is an important part that we must aware of that. Why we need insurance and what way it's helpful for us and why it is required and is it necessary to have this insurance concept. I would like to see this type of insurance which we are having, which we have seen the screen, that we must aware of that picture. In the picture, you will see that thing is there are different events are taken place. That is, train colliding, flood destroying entire community, earthquakes that bring grief, young people dying suddenly prematurely. Why do these events make us anxious and afraid? See, this concept when we are saying, is it happened to me? No, it may not happen to you, but wherever you are living, it is happening. Or even our India, it is happening. Like we can see, I will give some example that flood. Do you know that thing is in 2004, December 26, 2004, you will see that tsunami is taken place at Chennai and coastal Tamil Nadu, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, and Kanyakumari. That these places have, we were not imagined that it will happen to India and especially in Chennai. It's approximately 8,000 people lost their lives and in this wave. this concept, the thing is, in Chennai area, when we are seeing that there is no, I think there is a water scarcity is there, but why this flood, this tsunami is taking place? This uncertainty we never imagined for that. So the another concept during this uncertainty, what will happen to our beloved one, our families? Second instant, I can share with you that 26 July 2005, Mumbai have flooded with like anything else. You see, approximately 5,000 people died, and it and also uh, at that time, I like to share you that things. I was working in Mumbai, Baikula, my workplace, residence in Dadar. My hips level water was waterlogged. And the evening around 6 o'clock, I have to go to my residence. It is distance is approximately 8 kilometers, and I am walking through this flooded water, and all the drainage was opened because the water log was there, and people has gone inside of the drainage. And I don't know how I reached my home. It is really, I'm thankful to God that this happens. Really, God has saved me. That thing is. So another instance I can say that thing is in Mudichur near Tamaram, 2015, South India flooded like anything else. The heavy rainfall was taken place. We never imagined that rain will, because Chennai area, the rain will it will come sometimes, but in the flooded rain, I never see the thing is. So in this aspect, so when we are seeing this more than 500 people were killed and 1.8 million people have lost their I mean home, and is wiped off. All the I mean residential and wiped off. This incidents, this event shows this water lacking and this heavy rainfall has made it miserable to the human life as well as in the business, and Chennai is become a standstill, and their families, you think about a minute and how they suffered in their families, how they will pull on. There is another incident, that is another incident when we are seeing Gujarat earthquake. This Gujarat earthquake. So Gujarat earthquake. When Gujarat earthquake taken place in the year of 2001, that's 1,50,000 there homeless and 20,000 people were killed. See this earthquake, you will see that sometimes somewhere else it is happening, but the bad incidents in the Gujarat, that is Bhuj earthquake is called 2001, and we never imagine. I don't know, these people are covered there with life insurance or we do not know, but it's all of a sudden taken. And another instance we can see that thing is bombing at serial bombing at Mumbai train accident. This bombing is train accident, train bombing at Matunga area at Mumbai. At the time, I was in Chennai. One of my friend has told me that, you see where you are. I told him I am in Chennai. But I thought of you are in Mumbai. There was a serial bomb blast. and there the train nearby, uh, the train at Matunga, the electric train has got bomb blast, and also Victoria Terminal and Hotel Taj near Marine Drive. See, we never imagined this type of incidents happening to our day-to-day life. That landslide, that is, you might be seeing in Chennai, that Mughaliwakam area, that you will find that multi-story building has gone under the underground. Near about 60 people were uh, died, that working people. Whether we aware this type of incidents in our life, and we never imagine the building gone inside of the underground, and nobody is, I mean, ashamed. Nobody knows this type of incident will happen. Another incident we can see that uh, that illness. When we are talking about illness, is the major illness. We can call him king of uncertainty. We can call them also. The recent incident taken place, coronavirus, COVID is called. Most of the places in Delhi, the victimized in the first wave is more than double in the second wave, and especially in Delhi area, this most of the people was lost their life. Concept is that thing is, even they want to have a treatment at the hospitals, no hospitals having the bed, no hospital, I mean, each hospital don't have sufficient oxygen, shortage of oxygen, and no doctors are ready to uh, give a treatment in the sense because they don't have proper infrastructures, and people are dying like anything else. And the body is taken and buried in a dustbin. It is a lump. And even the Gurgaon area, when we are seeing the PPC news, that PPC, I mean, news, when we are seeing this, the body has been buried in the midnight, and like that, it we are seeing. And this type of incident, when we never imagined such concept. In this aspect, in the coronavirus, I'd like to share one of the, I mean, incidents. One of my close relatives living at Delhi, both husband and wives were, I mean, working, and they were peacefully living there. They used to go for uh, weekly for the vacations, and they spent most of the money for their living life. And what happened? He got this COVID attack, and ultimately he didn't get any, I mean, bed, and no hospitals are vacant. In AIMS, he has been admitted at last 15 days. He was in the hospital, doctor unable to cure him, and lastly he lost their, I mean, live, and living wife and two grown-up children. The children's one yet to complete the graduation, another one is unemployed. I don't know whether they covered the life, they covered their life, and if it is covered, it's a good. I hope that they were not covered the for the life insurance. If at all, if they're covered of life insurance, this amount will not sufficient for them to lead their wife and children's life further. And this, in this aspect, we can see that is two aspects we can keep in our mind. This is incidents happen, the accident when we are seeing. There is avoidable and unavoidable uncertainty. You will see in the slide that you will see there is a drunk and drive, drunk and truck driver have drive the truck and made accident, and two motorcycle person was killed. and he also killed. Can you tell me anyone which one is avoidable and which one is unavoidable uncertainty? Anyone guess? Okay, I will I will come to the point. The truck driver have consumed the liquor and drive, and he lost his life. What about the family? Because he died, and family has to suffer. Another instant we can see that thing is a motorcycle person. They not consumed the liquor because of the accident by this truck driver. The motorcycle person killed, and their family has to suffer because I don't know whether they cover the insurance or not. The concept is the thing is this avoidable and unavoidable uncertainty. It has happened to our life. In this aspect, you please see this video clip and you please tell me which one is avoidable, which one is unavoidable uncertainty. Ah, here we can see that is this uh, video clips that you will know that I am not in this incident, but you might be observed that there are avoidable and unavoidable accidents, uncertainty we can avoid. Why this concept? This you have to see that some people, sir, I mean, standing near roadside. Some people, sir, I mean, cross the road urgently. Some drug drivers having a rush driving. some truck drivers are have drunken and want to reach their destination, and some of them wants that the concept. The thing is, made action with motorcycle person, and like that it is happening. No one is, I mean, care their family. If at all, if they're caring their family, and definitely they will not, they will not do such things, and they will not become victimized for these type of incidents. Now we can see another video clips that please tell me in the end what the lessons we are learning from this video club. The sunflower video clips.
You think that you'll die without him. You know that's a lie that you tell yourself. You fear that you lay alone forever now. It ain't true, ain't true, ain't true. So put your arms around me tonight. Let the music lift you up like you've never been so high. Open up your heart to me. Let the music lift you up like you've never been this free. Till you feel the sunrise. Let the music warm your body like the heat of 1,000 fires. The heat of 1,000 fires. Ain't no crying in the club. Hey, hey, let the beat carry away your tears as they fall, baby. Ain't no crying in the club. Hey, hey, a little fat ache. Your tears turn to ecstasy. Ain't no crying in the club. Ain't no crying in the club. Ain't no crying in the club. You may think that you'll die without her, but you know that's a lie that you told yourself. You fear that you'll never meet another so pure, but it ain't true, ain't true, ain't true. So put your arms around me tonight. Let the music lift you up like you've never been so high. Open up your heart to me. Let the music lift you up like you've never been this free. Till you feel the sunrise. Let the music warm your body like the heat of 1,000 fires. The heat of 1,000 fires. Ain't no crying in the club. Hey, hey, let the beat carry away your tears as they fall, baby. Ain't no crying in the club. Hey, hey, a little fat ache. Your tears turn to ecstasy. Ain't no crying in the club. Ain't no crying in the club. Ain't no crying in the club. You think that you'll die without him. You know that's a lie that you tell yourself. You fear that you lay alone forever now. It ain't true, ain't true, ain't true. I said ain't no crying, ain't no crying in the club, no crying. I said ain't no crying, ain't no crying in the club, ain't no crying in the club. Your tears as they fall, baby, ain't no crying in the club. Your tears turn to ecstasy, ain't no crying in the club.
You might be seeing this video, it was interesting. It is given the very good lessons for our things. Anyone guess and tell me what lesson this video has given? That is what we can see that this sunflower, the one sunflower has lost their life because of the storm and rain and etc. And even then, yes, I mean, made his seeds, another seeds has come up, and three sunflower you might be seeing with beautifully. In this lesson, what we have seen, that even the breadwinner has lost their life and the families will survive because proper care and proper coverage is taking place. So now we will come to the real, subject is that Government of India, as knows the people will suffer for the above set all the events, that is the flood, tsunami, bombing, and cyclone, landsliding, and earthquake. This is what we are seeing, and illness. These are the concept as seen and how the people are suffering, and to safeguard and also, I mean, keep the economics well. And they were started for this banking, financial service and insurance. That is called BFSI. This PFIs are first helping for that all our human life to cover the loss. It is 24 insurance companies are called available in India. It is controlled by IRDA. That is called Insurance Regulation Development Authority. It is maintained this all these 24 insurance companies. One is well known is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. It is similar to SEBI, that is Stock Exchange Board of India, and RBI. RBI is Reserve Bank of India, uh, controlling the all nationalized and private banking. The insurance company having number of plan to compensate the loss. Insurance information, many of the educated and educated people are not fully aware due to lack of knowledge and negligence and also ignorance. Loss victimized people really don't know how to handle the critical situation, and we will have the different option to invest small amount of premium for higher return to care of the loss. In this concept, I like to point out one incident that due to illness, the COVID time, one of the family drawing approximately, uh, you know, 70 to 80,000 rupees per month salary, and he got this coronavirus. I don't know at the time in Chennai, that is in Chennai, and he didn't get any hospital to admit. At last, he got a one bed at Ramachandra Medical College Hospitals. There, after 1 week treatment, he lost the life. He having wife and children. He living in the rented flat. And what will happen to their, families? Apart from the loss, the question is coming, who will bear the loss? Like your family essential need, such as home, children's education, marriage, paying your debts like housing loan, car loan, and you might be borrowed for your education purpose. If you have taken insurance premium, it may not cover the whole life because you might be covered approximately 5 to 10 lakhs rupees, which will not sufficient to take care of your families. And also health checkup uh, uh, and caring of aged parents. This is a big question mark that when you have encountered with such a security you are depend on. So this big question mark until unless if you are having the proper plan that life care that will helpful for you to take care of your family life. Here we are having some interesting point. Why is insurance needed? In this aspect, our Dean, MSR Mariappan sir, He already explained the importance of insurance when he having the export business. There he is failed to, cover the insurance, and he has to suffer when he is lost there, goods, and like that, he has given a valuable point. Here's some points we can see. That thing is, number one, insurance plans will help you pay for medical emergencies, hospitalization, contraction of any illness and treatment, and medical care required in the future. It is definitely because you might be seeing the coronavirus and this COVID, how many people have lost their life, and they never imagined such loss. It is unbearable. That is a concept, and even our India's is suffer like anything else economically. I am thankful to this our Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. He has also, sanctioned the 5 lakhs rupees for the family, but the 5 lakhs rupees will not sufficient to take care for the entire lifespan of the lost victim's family. Second, the finance lost to the family due to the unforced death. That is already been explained about COVID. If at all, if they're taken for debts like loans or other debts which a person uh, insured may have incurred in his or her lifetime, insurance plan will help your family maintenance their standard of living in case you are not around in the future. Standard of living in the sense you might be seeing that you might be planned. I must have some comfortable house, comfortable lifestyle, like that. This standard of life it will continue if you're having if you're having the proper insurance coverage. This will help them cover the cost of running the household through the insurance lump sum payout. The insurance money will give your family some much needed breathing space. This is a valuable fund because they need not to worry, along with the coverage for all expenditure in case death, accident, medical emergency of the persons. Another point interesting, insurance plans will help in protecting in future of your child terms of stream of education. You might be planned. My child should have a doctor and specialized education, engineer, like that. So the dream of education will be fulfilled. Another point we can see is many insurance plans come with a savings and the investment scheme along with the regular coverage. If your income tax higher, definitely it will helpful for you and also it cover your life. This another is that if you're having the own house, it is if you are having proper, coverage, definitely insurance company will cover your loss wherever when the earthquake is taking place or if it's any damage is taking place, it will cover you. And these are the important points which we have seen the thing is. In this concept, my advice is this term plus coverage, term insurance coverage should increase as your income, debit, and family responsibility, like children's higher education, marriage. And the term plan example, with the coverage of 50 lakhs and a premium of 25 years, you pay only 5,500 to 6,500 per annum. That is, the amount is very small. That this will give you 50 lakhs when you are lost a life. And my advice is that thing is, even if you are having so many insurance plans, that this insurance is must and also health insurance. If you are taking this aspect, definitely your family will not suffer. If you are having, if it is your yearly insurance, if you are taking in the age of 30 to 35 years, will have this premium. If you are above 40, if you are paying little bit higher, say around 10,000 to 15,000 per annum, you will be covered 1 crore to 1.5 crores. Definitely, even if you are lost, if you are not available, this 1.5 crores will sufficiently cover your family needs, and definitely they will have a good breath to live in this, world. So you might be seeing the importance of this insurance. Uh, Other thing is, if you need if you need any solution, don't hesitate to call me. I am there to guide you to plan properly for your financial crisis, and also which coverage, which policy is helpful to cover the uncertainty loss. Contact me or WhatsApp me by telephone number 9968074433. And also I will give my WhatsApp number to one of your institution faculty. You can contact them for your proper dates. Any questions, kindly let me know. I can explain you. Thank
Any
you, sir.
question?
You are put me, very good question. You are put me on one very good question that these insurance companies, whether it is a government oriented or the private institutions, those who are running this insurance institution, it is covered by IRDA, that is Insurance Regulation Development Authority. It will safeguard your deposits. Whatever the promise given by the insurance companies based on your deposit, they will fulfill your requirement because it is controlled by IRDA, similar to RBI and as well as SEBI. It is a government oriented. Whether you want to invest in the government oriented or private insurance company, your money is safe. But I wish you people should have the insurance coverage to safeguard your family. My sincere advice is go one term plan is absolutely required for the each family. So that will helpful for to safeguard your family in your absence.